Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. Before we begin today's lesson, I have some exciting news to share. As part of the latest CBSE curriculum, a new subject called Computational Thinking and Artificial Intelligence has been introduced for class 6, 7th and 8th. This subject is designed to help students develop logical thinking, problem solving and understanding of how artificial intelligence works in our daily lives. In this video series, we will be covering the computational thinking section of the syllabus, and we will learn each chapter one by one in a simple and interesting way. So if you are a class 6 student or anyone who enjoys solving puzzles and improving logical thinking, this series is for you. Today, we are starting with the first computational thinking part. We will be starting the first chapter, patterns in mathematics. Before solving the questions, let's understand why patterns are so important. Have you ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face? How Google Maps find the shortest route? Or how YouTube recommends videos that you might like? All these smart technologies work by identifying and analyzing patterns. The good news is that you can develop the same by thinking, by carefully observing, identifying the hidden rules and applying logical reasoning. You'll begin to think like a computational thinker. Throughout this chapter, we will solve exciting questions based on numbers. I'll explain each question step by step, and whenever I say think, take a moment to think and try solving it yourself before we discuss the solution. Keep your notebook and pencil ready. Let's begin our journey with chapter 1, patterns in mathematics. Let's see our question 1. The following series follows a fixed pattern: 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4 times 5, 6. If the pattern continues, determine how many times the number 9 appears in the next 20 term. Now if you see the pattern, 2 has come one time. I write one time. 3 has come two times. 4 has come three times. 5 has come four times. So 6 will come how many times? 6 will come 5 times, out of which one time it has already come. So next 6 will come 4 more times, one time it is already here. Now 7 will come 6 times, 8 will come 7 times. Let's add it up. 4 times plus 6 times 10 plus 17 terms are already there. So 9 will come 8 times, out of which 3 times we need 4 plus 6 10 plus 7 17 plus 3. So 9 will appear 3 times in the next 20 terms. Let's see the explanation. We have the options 3, 4, 7 and 8. The series is made up of a consecutive natural numbers starting from 2 each. Each number will follow the fixed rule. Every number is appearing exactly one lesser time. Number 2 is appearing one time, 3 is appearing two times. From the given series, we see that 6 has already appeared. So in the next 20 terms, 6 will appear 4 more times as I have written. 7 will appear 6 times, 8 will appear 7 times. Total terms before 9 appears will be 17. So out of the next 20 terms, 17 terms are not having 9, leaving 3. So 9 will appear 3 times in the next 20 terms. So the sequence is, and our correct option is option A. So for the following number series is based on a pattern. One term is incorrect. Identify the incorrect term. The pattern given here is 2, 3, 6, 11, 18, 25, 38, 51, 66, 83. Out of which we have to see which one is the incorrect term. The options given are 11, 25, 51 and 66. Before I show you the solution, let us see. We have a number 2. Then we have 3, then we have 6, then we have 11, then we have 18. If you see the pattern, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18. So what should be the next number we have to add? We have to add 9 and the number should come 27. But what is coming here? Now the number coming here is 25. So where is the problem lying? The problem lying here in 25. If it would have been 27, next addition it would have been become 38, then it will be 51, then it will be 66, and then it will be 83. The other series is correct, but where is the problem lying? The problem is lying in 25. So which is the incorrect pattern? The number in term, the incorrect term is 25. Let me erase and I'll show you the how to present your answer. Let's see. We have found the difference between the consecutive term. We saw that it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 7. 11 plus 7, 18, and 18 plus 7 is 25. So twice the difference of 7 came, and out of that, because of that, the next two differences again became 13. So the problem was lying in the first 7 difference, which should not be there. The natural pattern should be consecutive odd numbers, which is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and so on. So after 18, we should add 9, giving 27. As I told you, it should not be 25. So 25 is the incorrect term. The correct series will be 2, 3, 6, 11, 18, 27, 38. So our answer is 25, which is option B. I hope this is clear to you. The next question is, what will come in place of question mark in the given series? The series given here is 1 at 3, hash 5 hash 7 8 9 hash 11 hash. So सीरीज देख के समझ तो आ गया होगा नंबर कौन से आने हैं, बट ये एट कहाँ लगना है, हैश कहाँ लगना है, ये समझना जरूरी है. So if we see the series, the first number is 1, 2 and 3. 2 is in the center. If we see 7, 8, 9, 8 is in the center. At has been used for this. At has been used for this. If we see this, this is 13, 14, 15. At has been used for this. If we see this 19, 20, 21, at has been used for this. So even numbers जहां भी middle में आ रहे हैं वहां पे हमने at use करा है. If we see the next thing, this is 4, 5 and 6. यहाँ पे hash use हुआ है, यहाँ पे hash use हुआ है. Even numbers बाहर की तरफ हैं, hash use हुआ है. ये है 10, 11 and 12. 10 के लिए hash use हुआ है, 12 के लिए hash use हुआ है. Similarly, अब यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 15 के बाद आएगा 16, 17, 18. तो at use होगा या hash use होगा. As we see, अगर even numbers corners पे हैं तो hash use होगा, और odd numbers देखो कोई भी symbol use नहीं हुआ है, तो 17 will remain as it is. So हमारे क्वेश्चन मार्क में क्या रिप्लेसमेंट आनी है? हैश 17 हैश. आई होप द आंसर इज क्लियर. अब इसकी एक वेल प्रेजेंटेड सॉल्यूशन भी देख लेते हैं. आई विल erase whatever I have written just to show you how the answer has to be well presented. Let's see. We have got our answer, hash 17 hash, D option. But let's see the correct solution for it. Now each term represents 3 consecutive numbers. The odd position numbers means which are in the center. Odd position terms, even numbers are replaced with at, and even position numbers are replaced with hash. The fifth term is 13, 14, 15. So the sixth term will be 16, 17, 18. Replacing the even number 16 and 18 with hash gives us hash 17 hash. So our answer will be option D, which is hash 17 and hash. I hope the solution is clear to you. Moving on to the fourth question. The first 4 terms of a block series are shown below. Where is the block series? Let's see. The block series is here. If the pattern continues in the same manner, which term of the series will be the first to contain more than 20 blocks? If you see this, the first has 1 block, the next has 3 blocks, then 3 more added to it, we added 2 to it, then became 3, then we added 3 more to it, it became 6, and then in those 6 we added a layer of 4, it became 10. So in the next number, in those 10 we will add a layer of 5 more, it will become 15, In the next, in that 15 layer, we will add 6 more, that will become 21. Our question is, which term of the series will be the first to contain more than 20 blocks? So this series will be the first one to contain more than 20 blocks. Which term? First term, second term, third term, fourth, fifth and sixth. So sixth term will have more than 20 blocks. I hope I am clear. And what series is called? This is called triangular series. This is also called triangular series. We have seen in our NCERT also for chapter 1. Let's see the well presented answer for this. I'll show you the well presented answer. We have fifth options, fifth, sixth, seventh or eighth term. So in each next term, a row has been added to the bottom with one extra block. Like it was 1, then 2 was added. In 1 and 2, 3 was added. In 1, 2 and 3, 4 was added. So in that row contains one more block, that is 5 terms. Hence the fifth term will have 15 blocks and the sixth term will have extra row compared to the fifth term. That row will contain 6 blocks and total of 21 blocks, which is the first term to have more than 20 blocks. Hence the correct answer is option B. As I give you the answer, the sixth term will be the first one to contain more than 20 blocks. Here is the pictorial representation of what was explained. What will come in place of question mark in the given series? 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 5, 4, 5, 5, 6. Understand the pattern here. If you see the first term of every block, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I make a box like this, which number will come here? 5. Let's see the right turn. 2, 3, 4, 5. What number will come here? 6. Let's see the bottom left. 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it will come 6, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So I hope you have understood how we have done. We have seen the bottom left series, the bottom left series, the bottom right series, the top left series, the top right series. So all the 4 series we have decoded and we have got our answer is 5, 6, 6, 7. Find out your answer from the option. It is option D, 5, 6, 6, 7. We have observed that how the number changes from one term to the next. Each term is a 2 by 2 grid containing 4 numbers. And when we compare consecutive term, we see that each number in the grid increases by 1 as we move on to the next term. As I explained you, top left number is increasing 1, 2, 3, 4, so next will be 5. Top right number is increasing 2, 3, 4, 5, so next number will be 6. Bottom left is increasing 2, 3, 4, 5, so next number will be again 6. And bottom right number is 3, 4, 5, 6, so it will be 7. In the same pattern continues, the next term will have all the 4 numbers increased by 1 compared to the previous term. 5, 6, 6 and 7. So this matches option D. So option D is our correct answer. What will come in place of this question mark in the given series? The series given here is this one. We have 3 and 4 outside in the circle and 7 in the center. We have 6 and 5 outside in the circle, 11 in the center. We have 9 and 7 outside in the circle, 16 in the center. Same way 12 and 10, 22 in the center, 15 and 14, 29 in the center. So with this pattern we see that the sum of outside number 3 and 4, 7 is coming in the center. The sum of 6 and 5, 11 is coming in the center, and for all numbers 9 and 7, 16 is in the center, 12 plus 10, 22 is in the center, 15 plus 14, 29 is in the center. So what will be the next number? If we see the top pattern 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, the next number will be 18, the table of 3, or we can say a multiple of 3. If we see the bottom pattern 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 4 14. So we will add 5 more to 14, we will get 19. So we have got the two circled numbers 18 and 19. So what will come in center? The sum of 18 and 19, which is 37. We have these options. So which option will be correct? 18, 19, the sum making 27. The option is C, 18, 19 and 37. Let's see the correct explanation. We observe the pattern in each position separately. Top circle, middle square, bottom circle, as I explained. The number increases by 3 each time in the top pattern. In the bottom circles, the pattern is increasing 1 by each time. We add 1, we add 2, we add 3, we add 4, then we add 5. Middle square is the sum of the numbers in the top and the bottom circles. So the next middle number will be 37. So our option correct is option C. I hope this is clear. Let's read the question. The first 5 terms of a series formed using grey hexagon and white diamonds are given below. If the same pattern continues, how many diamonds will be present in the term where the number of hexagon is 144? This time instead of numbers we have a pattern made using grey hexagons and white diamonds. Take a closer look at the first 5 terms. Can you notice how the shapes are increasing? Let's solve it together. Let us first count the number of hexagons in each term. The term 1 has 1 hexagon. The term 2 has 4 hexagon. The term 3 has 9 hexagon. Then we have 16 hexagon. Then term 5 has 25 hexagons. Do these numbers look familiar to you? Yeah, they are square numbers. 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared. Now let's observe the diamonds. I'll write on the top about for the diamonds with the same different color. The number of diamond is here 0. There is 1 diamond. There are 4 diamonds. There are 9 diamonds. There are 16 diamonds. So they are also square numbers, but they follow a slightly different pattern. The number of diamonds in each term is 1 square behind the number of hexagons. They are also following the square pattern, but they are slightly behind them. In other words, we can say if the number of hexagons is n squared, so number of diamonds will be n minus 1 squared. You can say that. Now let's answer this question. We need to find the number of diamonds where there will be 144 hexagons. 144 hexagon means 12 squares. So where it will be 12 square diamonds, the hexagons, diamonds will be 12 minus 1 square, that is 11 square. So the number of diamonds will be 12 minus 1 square, that is 11 square, that is 121. Therefore the correct option is C, 121 diamonds. This question teaches us an important lesson in computational thinking. Instead of counting every shape one by one, we discovered a hidden mathematical rule. Once we recognized the pattern, solving the problem became quick and easy. Always remember, great problem solvers don't just calculate, they first look for the pattern. Here is the presentation of the answer. As I explained, the term 1 has how many diamonds and how many hexagons, and term 2, 3, 4, 5. And the hexagon pattern which was followed, the diamond pattern which was followed. So we noticed that the number of hexagons, if it will be n square, the diamonds will be 1 lesser number square. So with that we saw that the 12 square hexagons will have 11 square diamonds, which means 121 diamonds. That is option C. I hope this has been clear to you all. Now let's see next question. We have another interesting puzzle, pattern puzzle. This time we have two sets of number P and Q, and our task is to find one number from set P that should be interchanged with this number in the set Q, so that both the sets follow a proper pattern. Let's take a moment to observe both the sets carefully. Can you identify which numbers don't seem to fit? Let's see the set P. The set P is 18, 22, 24, 27, 30. But the natural pattern should be plus 3 each time, which should be 18, 21, 24, 27 and 13. So we see that 22 is the incorrect number and it should be 21. Let's see set Q. We have 21, 24, 27, 31, 36. After replacing 21 with 22, it becomes 22, 24, 27, 31, 36. The differences are plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, which is a clear increasing pattern. So now we know that we will interchange in 22 and 21, and this makes both the sets follow a consistent pattern. So option C is our correct answer. Let us start with the ninth question. The first three terms of a series of circles are shown below. If the pattern continues in the same manners, how many circles will be there in term 91? Let us see the diagram and let us see the options. Term 1 has 2 columns, term 2 has 3 columns, term 3 has 4 columns, term 4 will be having 5 columns. So in each term the number of column is one more than the term number. Like term 1 has 2 column, column 1, column 2. Term 2 has 3 columns, column 1, 2 and 3. Term 3 has 4. So the term 91 will have one more extra column than 91, which is 92's column. So each column has 2 circles. So the total number of circles will be 92 into 2, which is 184 circles. So 184 circles, option A is the right answer. I hope it is clear. So we have the last question here, that a pyramid has to be formed by combining cubes. Every level will have 2 fewer cubes than the level below it. If a pyramid is formed using at most 30 cubes, we cannot use more than 30 cubes. What is the maximum number of levels it can have? We have options 3, 4, 5, 6. So to make the maximum number of levels, place the fewest cubes at the top and increase the number of cubes in each lower level. One possible arrangement is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Let's see how. Level 1 will have 1 cube. Then below that we will arrange 2 more cubes, 2 fewer cubes. Every level should have 2 fewer. That means the next level will have 2 more. It will have 3. The next level will have 2 more than the previous one, which will have 5. Then we have 7. Then we have 9. So all in all, we will have 25 cubes by level 5. So now when we increase 2 more next in the level, we will have 11. That will reach 36 cube used, but we have to use only 30 cubes, which shows that we can only, a sixth level will be needing 11 more cubes, which is not available. We will have only 30 cubes. So, and even if we start with 2, again the next level will have 2 more, 4. The next level will have 2 more, 6. The next level will have 8 and 10. So in this way we will arrange 30 cubes. So in both the cases, whether we start from 1 cube and then keep on arranging to make the cube, or whether we start from 2 cubes, we will be only making 5 levels of the pyramid, will not be able to make more than 5. So answer 5 levels, option C is our correct answer. That's all for today's video in for chapter 1, patterns in mathematics. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments. In the next video, we'll be starting with the second chapter of the same class 6th, which is lines and angles.